So, we're about to wish one of my oldest and closest friends, Andrew Murray, Lord of the Library on chat, a happy birthday. Because, despite the fact I live in Victoria, and he lives in Scotland, he's actually the reason that I know about Loading Ready Run, and without him, I probably wouldn't be here.
Oh, that's your accent.
Yes, it is.
I'm slow. Happy birthday!
Oh no, we're doing more.
It's not done
Go
yet.
for it.
It's your birthday.
Honky birthday to you. Birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Andrew, Lord of the Library.
Where's the honk?
Yeah, because that was the part that was messing up.
Yeah, it was! We had the honk for that!
Yeah, but you weren't even on beat the whole time.
You tried doing it when your honk is
Have
missing!
you ever heard the happy birthday song?
No, I had a terrible childhood!
Look, it's Andrew's birthday. Can we just have cake and a good time? We're here to have a good time.
This is the second
That's why we
time.
can't have nice
And
things.
it's on me. It's on me.
It's Daddy fighting!
No, I don't want to fight with you because you keep saying daddy and it's grossing everybody out. Happy birthday!
Honk!
Yeah.
How was that, Nina?
More than I could have hoped for.
Okay. Happy birthday, Andrew.
Happy birthday, Andrew.
So to bring it back around to Gundam, today's Camille Vidan's birthday, the main character of Zeta.
2 seconds. Can we go to engineering real quick?
It's like I'm doing the honk portion, but you guys are still saying honky birthday. So then it gets to a part where I'm like, oh, they'll just say it and I won't have to do the thing. And then you stop and it's my fault.
My sons.
Every year, there's one thing. I can't just have one good year of engineering. Where it's not like, Ben, why didn't you carry this whole scene? Get out of my engineering office, both of you.
What I want to know,
Oh, this will be good.
yeah, is why every YouTube happy birthday song is like the slowest version of happy birthday you've ever heard.
Happy
Birthday to
Ben.
It's like
Now 3 measures of rest.
happy birthday.
I broke the button.
There is justice in this world!
It don't honk no more.
Baby
But
don't
my
love
Leonard
me.
Cohen cover of Happy Birthday was going so well.
Good heavens. Look at the time.
Ian,
Yes.
there's some.
It literally doesn't work anymore.
Oh no! There's a challenge. Oh, thank
It
goodness.
has a cooldown.
Well, I mean, it would be so OP in raids.
You gotta charge that ultimate.
Yeah, no, it's balanced for PvP. Ian, there's a challenge here. Someone is wondering. They say, "Can you help me fix my 2DS? I'm having trouble getting stripped screws for my 2DS so I can replace the screen. They are a few millimeters indented, and I've tried all the generic solutions: rubber band, super glue, lots of pressure, different size screws. Any advice?"
Yeah, you're going to need to find a special screw-based drill bit for this. And you're going to want to order a set of screws from the eBays to replace the ones you get, because what these are going to do is they go in, they're counter-rotational. So instead of screwing it in like a screw clockwise, you screw it in counterclockwise. And that, once you get it in there, then you just keep screwing it and it pulls the screw right out. It unscrews it.
Righty loosey, lefty tighty.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, Tapper. Thank you, Lysander Gustav. And there's some pictures in the chat.
Yeah, I mean, or you could just drill the whole thing out.
Yeah, you could do that too, but like when you're looking at really tiny screws like that, unless you've got the precision down, that could be
No,
dangerous.
you just take a 3/8 in the drill press, high RPM, just.
Yeah, right through. Yeah, sadly, I don't know that. I wish I had a drill press at home. If you've got a drill press, do it Alex's way.
No, do not do it my way.
Ben, I'm sorry. I've had time to reflect upon my actions.
I gotta live with you. I might have broke the audio computer. I can't get sound out of it. So just give me a little bit. I'm gonna do some fixing here.
So you heard it here first. We're on our own to do sound.
At least the honk button still works.
That's good.
We thankfully have a backup honk button.
So what we're thinking this year for engineering is redundancy.
Yeah.
But there's one specific area that I think we're going to put it all into, and that's the honk.
Redundant honk.
You got audio back, Ben.
Angry now.
Great.
The dab.
I don't know what else to do. I panicked.